Hello everyone, this is Aparna. I am a proud mother of Urvija. For Little Millennium Balibadi Fata, it's been 5 years we have been associated with this preschool and daycare. And it's like when my daughter was 6.5 months old, we were in search of a good daycare where we can keep her for 7 to 8 hours. So we were actually visited a couple of daycares, and one fine day we met Amit sir and Swati ma'am. We have come to know about their entire preschool and daycare execution. We were able to meet their maushis. We can see the children playing around it. We can see that there are so many books, toys which are available. So many other activities has been conducted as a part of daycare. So they have dance class, then singing class, classical dance class, and all. So then we found that this is a good place where we can keep our daughter for such a long time, because it's like 7 to 8 hours in a day. It's like she's spending her active time into at this place, so she should have other activities also as a part of her daily routine so that she can enjoy her day. And the most important thing that I like about this daycare is their transparency, cleanliness, the food quality, and also the way the Maushi and Swati and all her staff was behaving with kids is that was really amazing. So then finally we took a decision that we will be actually continuing with this particular daycare. So when the time has come when we have to take a decision for her school, we don't have to think about any other option, because I could say on daily basis how Urvija is adjusted with the daycare, and also she was aware of teachers, she was friendly with teacher used to talk to her, they used to play with her sometimes, so then for me it was like, okay, she's already settled in a daycare so nicely, so let's continue with the preschool facility. And we were actually attended some of their school activities, also some workshops which has been conducted for school and all. So then we come to know like what is their curriculum, how they execute their entire program and all, how the teachers has been skilled and trained for all these curriculums and all. So we finally took a decision, okay, we are going with this particular preschool facility also. And let me tell you one thing, we are actually very happy with this Little Millennium Balibadi Fata. The entire staff is so helping and so caring about kids, I could actually say my child is, she has actually shown so many tantrums in school and in daycare and all. But all these times, I used to get a continuous feedback from Swati, their teachers. Specifically, I would like to say, like Swati, she was always mentioning, like, Urvija is good and this, Urvija likes this. So, you focused on this particular area so that as a person, as an individual, she will be groomed in a very well manner. So this is very important, because the small things which they do, or they react with their friends, with maushis, and the way they take the things. So these things are very important, and as a parent, if you come to know, because since we are always not with them, okay, so when she is in a daycare and school, we get all this information, so that for us it is very helping to decide like in which area or how we have to groom our kid, where the focus has to be given. Now just an example, she is very good in dancing, so we have started with her dancing class in her daycare, and she enjoys a lot, her dancing class and drawing class and everything. Now, coming back to their preschool facility, let me tell you, this pandemic is a very difficult situation to handle for everyone, But, the way the teacher and the entire staff of Little Millennium Balibadi has conducted these online sessions. This is really very amazing because they don't have much time, but then the way they have prepared, they have come up with the curriculum, it's fantastic. And the important thing is like Urvisha was having daily 1 hour online session. So we were like, how they are going to complete this entire curriculum? But they have nicely segregated the things like what has to be covered into online class and what has to be provided as a material available on their portal, because 1 hour session is really very less time considering these small kids and their tantrums, and gathering them together, making them pay attention in online classes where a teacher is not in front of them and the kids are sitting with their parents at home. So you can imagine how difficult it was for them to you know continue all these sessions and all. But I must tell you, they have done an amazing job. And one point I would like to inform is like, as a parent, even I was very happy to conduct or attain all those online sessions, because I came to know like, if you have to introduce a particular thing, at times I find, oh my god, how I'm going to explain this to her, because there would be definitely so many questions in all. But when I have attended this online school sessions, I came to know like how easily the flow has managed from one point to the other point, and they have actually reached to their goal to tell that concept to kids, such a small kids. So that's really very fantastic and amazing. So I also learned so many things attending all these sessions and all. And one more thing is like the material which is available on their portal is so good. There are some short stories, poems, activities, yoga activities are also there. So the student can always go at any time and go through those videos and activities. So that is really fantastic. And at the end of the year, I was like, oh my god, she learned so many things. So uh, initially, I was so tensed because my kid was not sitting for the online classes for first 2 months. Can you imagine? That was creating so much of pressure on me, because I was working from home and she was not ready to you know sit for those classes. And also I was like, oh god, what I can do. But during all those 2 months of period, I was having continuous discussion with Swati ma'am and her teacher, like what tricks and what are the different techniques we can apply, so that she will sit and she'll concentrate what teacher is saying. If for me it was like, even if she's just sitting idle, I'm okay, but let her sit. So doing all those tricks and applying some techniques and all, finally we reached to her goal. And now she started attending those classes after 2 months of period. And I was like, okay, good. And then later on, she was actually independently doing all her activities and everything. So I'm actually very, very happy that my kid is in a safe hand. 7 to 8 hours in a day, which is an active part of her, she is actually utilizing it in a very well manner, having good friends around her, surrounded by good people. And that's the whole thing that as a parent you will actually expect for her kid. So I would like to thanks Smati ma'am, Amit sir, and her family for all her support and wonderful guidance for my kid. And yes, I would highly and strongly recommend Little Millennium Balewadi Fata preschool and daycare facility for your kids. You should you'll be rest assured that your kids are in a safe hand, and they are groomed in a very well manner. Let me tell you, for that matter, even the maushis are too good. My kid would say, okay mama, ही भाजी मला नाही आवडली, याच्यापेक्षा आमच्या मावशी खूप छान बनवतात. सो वेन आय listen such things from her, so I feel okay. So it's good that she's enjoying her time with all her daycare and preschool friends and teachers and maushis and all. So thank you so much, uh, Swati ma'am, for and Little Millennium staff for having such a wonderful school and daycare facility for our kids. Thank you so much.